We are talking about an age where we cannot even live with another person in our lives. How then are we talking about inclusivity in much larger and much grander scales? There is some shift that must happen from the attitude of the world being about me to a world being about us. Our Chancellor envisions two kinds of education. One is education for a living, and the second is education for life. But very few universities actually really delve into education for life. I'm talking about an education that equips you with the skills to get through life with contentment, happiness, harmony, compassion, and of course with inclusivity and sustainability. And that's what education should be. It should be holistic and comprise both these aspects. At Amrita, we have a very different sense of traveling. We may not go to Harvards and Yales to learn, but we go to the villages. And these are the universities of life.